Our big focus on the news on Magic Bricks now. The Lieutenant Governor is the administrative head of the National Capital Territory. Now, the Delhi High Court has ruled on Thursday dismissing a petition filed by the AAP government challenging the powers of the Lieutenant Governor. Our reporter Deepa Rana gets us more details on this verdict.
In a huge setback to the Aam Aadmi Party government today, it is the Delhi High Court that maintained that LG, or the Lieutenant Governor, is the administrative head in the national capital when it comes to land, law and order as well as police. The Aam Aadmi Party government had made a contention earlier that the LG must adhere to the Council of Ministers and must work on advice of the Council of Ministers, wherein the Delhi High Court maintained that this contention is without substance and cannot be accepted. Also, this raises questions over who is the final authority when it comes to taking administrative decisions in the national capital, and today the Delhi High Court has made it clear that it is the Lieutenant Governor. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party government is now moving to the Supreme Court against this order. That is the stand which the Delhi government and the Aam Aadmi Party has maintained. When it comes to the LG, he has maintained that the LG does report to the centre, but it should not be considered that the Lieutenant Governor is against the Delhi government. This order comes in the light of the several disputes which the Aam Aadmi Party government as well as LG has had over past 1 year. In fact, the Chief Justice G. Rohini as well as Justice Jayant Nath in their 194 judgment maintained today that when it comes to administrative powers, the final authority lies with the Lieutenant Governor.
Now, after the Delhi High Court ruling, Lieutenant General Najib Jung spoke exclusively to Times Network's political editor Navika Kumar. Listen in.
Unconstitutional means a very larger issue. Single issues mean that provisions of the Constitution are being violated. For instance, I will tell you, there is this circle rates business in agricultural areas. A file had come to us and the Delhi government fixed the circle rates. They should have sent the file for notification to me. It was not done. We called for the file because there is a provision in the transaction of business rules that we can summon files. When we summoned file, we found that there were a large number of lacunae or irregularities. We suggested to them that, look, you better remove them, which they did not do. And when they did not do, we declared it non-est, or the commissions of inquiry. Now, both of them have been declared illegal by the High Court. The Delhi government does not have the legal sanctity to set up a commission of inquiry under the Commission of Inquiries Act 1952. It has been clarified to them by the Delhi High Court. We told them several times. We must respect and we should respect the 67 number. Having said that, there are 8 MPs in Delhi who have been duly elected by the people of Delhi. There are 3 municipal committees in Delhi that have been elected by the people of Delhi. They don't belong to the Aam Aadmi Party. So this elected business, we shouldn't exaggerate it. We should look at the constitutional provision of what a union territory with legislature is. And because you said you don't want to go into 239AA, I would strongly advise you to look at 239AA, which deals with union territories with legislatures, and that would clarify the entire constitutional position as it exists today. And indeed, I am sure, because they are going to the Supreme Court, I remain confident that they have no case.
Mr. Arvind Kejriwal says when there is a rape in Delhi, he as the Chief Minister has to respond. In future, when there are such incidents in the city, should people of Delhi knock on the LG's door, and will you be answerable to people, or will Arvind Kejriwal be the only person we have to seek answers from?
No, not at all. He is not responsible for law and order. Finally, it is the Delhi police, the office of the LG, and of course society as a whole. This will require a lot of education of people. We will have to look at the social infrastructure. We have to improve the economic status of people. We have to improve the cheek and jowl living in small colonies of people. It will take time. But certainly to blame the Chief Minister would be incorrect.
As expected, just hours after Najib Jung's press conference, Aam Aadmi Party's second-in-command, Manish Sisodia, held a press conference as well. He says Aam Aadmi Party has the people's mandate and now they will challenge the ruling in the Supreme Court.
मैं बहुत स्पष्टता के साथ कहना चाहता हूं कि हम हाई कोर्ट का पूरी तरह से सम्मान करते हैं। माननीय दिल्ली उच्च न्यायालय का फैसला जो भी उन्होंने दिया है हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि उन्होंने बहुत सारे पहलुओं के अध्ययन करके दिया होगा, बहुत सारे पहलुओं को समझ के दिया होगा। और वैसे भी एक नागरिक होने के नाते, एक संवैधानिक पद पर बैठे होने के नाते हम अपनी पूरी जिम्मेदारी से माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के, माननीय दिल्ली उच्च न्यायालय के प्रति पूरा सम्मान व्यक्त करते हुए कहते हैं कि हम इस फैसले से असहमत हैं। मैं बहुत स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं, ये जंग वर्सेस केजरीवाल की लड़ाई नहीं है, ये एलजी वर्सेस चीफ मिनिस्टर की लड़ाई नहीं है। ये लड़ाई इस बात की है कि लोकतंत्र में, हमारे संविधान में जो वी द पीपल से शुरू होता है, वी द पीपल की चलेगी, चुने हुए लोगों की चलेगी या सेलेक्टेड लोगों की चलेगी, वी द पीपल से इलेक्टेड लोगों की चलेगी या सेलेक्टेड लोगों की चलेगी, इस बात की लड़ाई है। और ये एक बुनियादी क्वेश्चन है जिसको हम लेके सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएंगे और सुप्रीम कोर्ट से हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि वहां संविधान के दायरे में सारी व्यवस्था उस पर प्रकाश डालेगी।
BJP and the Congress, meanwhile, were quick to jump into the fray as well. Listen in to what BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra had to say.
आम आदमी पार्टी को एक करारा तमाचा कानून और न्याय प्रक्रिया द्वारा आज लगा है। आज से पहले जो आम आदमी पार्टी लोगों को बरगलाने की कोशिश करती थी, जिस प्रकार की नौटंकी करती थी और कहती थी हमें काम करने नहीं दिया जा रहा है, आज अगर सही मायने में हाई कोर्ट के वर्डिक्ट को पढ़े, निर्णय को पढ़ें, तो पता चलता है कि ये काम करना चाहते नहीं थे। एंड दे वर इन सर्च ऑफ एक्सक्यूज। ये किसी प्रकार से काम करना नहीं चाहते थे, ये बहानेबाजी में लगे हुए थे और आज बहाना पकड़ा गया है। आज जब हाईकोर्ट के इस वर्डिक्ट के बाद, मैं तो ललकार के कहता हूं, आज इस हाईकोर्ट के वर्डिक्ट के बाद दे हैव लॉस्ट देयर मोरल राइट टू बी इन द गवर्नमेंट। सब कुछ जानते हुए भी आपने गैर कानूनी काम, अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल काम किए, सो यू हैव लॉस्ट मिस्टर अरविंद केजरीवाल द राइट टू बी इन पावर। यू शुड अप्रोच द पीपल ऑफ दिल्ली वंस अगेन। आप तो कहते थे कि हम जनता की अदालत में जाएंगे, हर चीज में जनता से पूछेंगे। आज कहां छुप के बैठे हैं? जो सत्ता के उपासना करने वाले लोग विपासना के नाम पे छुपे नहीं, जनता के बीच में आए, जनता की राय लें कि आखिरकार इतने वर्षों तक, 1.5 वर्षों तक जनता से झूठ क्यों बोला, बरगलाया क्यों।
Our reporter Deepa Rana, meanwhile, caught up with Ajay Makan and Sheila Dikshit of the Congress party and asked them about the Delhi High Court judgment.
The question to Mr. Kejriwal all through has been, why should special dispensation be given to Mr. Kejriwal? After all, our former Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit, the Congress-ruled government, before that Madan Lal Khurana, Sahab Singh Verma, even Sushma Swaraj, they were all following the same transaction of business rules, and the Congress won 6 elections in Delhi in last 6 years while performing under the same transaction of business rules, under the same framework of constitution. So why should special dispensation be given to Mr. Kejriwal?
So the Delhi government is now talking about moving to Supreme Court against this Delhi High Court order. Do you think anything can turn out?
No, I don't think it is just they have not been able to perform, they have not been able to deliver on promises, the high expectations which people had from them. So just in order to divert attention from non-performance, they are now talking of going to the Supreme Court and nothing will come out of it.
No, but that's true because Delhi is not a full state. It's a union territory in which the according to the constitution, the LG is the ultimate authority. But of course the elected government also has a lot of say. But its say is limited, it always has to go to the LG. In all other states also the governors and all have to be consulted. And so what the High Court has said, it has upheld the constitution.
Ma'am, the Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had filed 9 petitions and had earlier said that
we can keep on filing 9 petitions, but the constitution, you cannot petition against the constitution unless you have the capacity to be able to change the constitution. You can change the constitution, but you cannot file a petition against it.
Ma'am, doesn't it raise questions on the multiplicity of agencies that we now have in the national capital?
It's always been there for 15 years. I've worked with them and there was never any problem.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.